Welcome to this Android channel, and this is the Android and Google News for Friday, August the 24th, 2018. And today, well, Android 9 Pie is making some gamers happy. For the past 2 years, a lot of gamers were actually using controllers with Bluetooth to play mobile games. We're saying that it was really bad and that the controllers had a big problem with mapping. Mapping is simply programming what button will do what while playing a game, and apparently it was not working right, so driving a lot of gamers a little nuts. Well, it seems that on Android 9 Pie, gamers are happy. It's working okay. Now, it's not been seen or tested by a lot of people, but apparently things are getting okay. Daedally is one of the Google products or apps that is available for emerging markets. It's an app that lets you save on mobile data to use only what you need and keep as much data as possible for the times you really need it. Well, it seems that there's an update to this app that fixes some issues, but also makes some interesting changes for more data saving. So if you're very tight on data, Daedally is apparently the app to use. So you got a slow Android connection sometimes. You notice that your connection is so slow actually that pages are very long to load. Well, Google Chrome has added over the years, of course, many features to make sure that web pages load as fast as possible on your portable device. Well, a new feature now that is added means that JavaScript might actually entirely be removed or disabled if your connection gets to a really slow crawl, and apparently it's automatically detected, and when it does, it actually removes all the content that can be using JavaScript. Well, the Google Assistant, that is very interesting because Google has revealed a few interesting facts about its Google Assistant. It seems that the human voice has very specific traits, and they are very unique and interesting. One of them is that people will ask to do actions 40 times more than they will actually to do searches on the device. So they want you to, the device to do something rather than search for them. Also, setting an alarm might seem to be something very simple. We might think, well, there's, not that many ways to actually ask for how to set an alarm. Well, get this. The assistant has actually heard 5,000 different ways to ask to add an alarm. So it shows you how complex it is to have assistants working and understand human interaction. Samsung announces its Galaxy J2 Core, its first Android Go handset. But don't be fooled, it still won't be stock Android, it will be Samsung flavored Android version. We'll talk about Android Go today because I've had a few questions with people saying, what is Android Go? So we're going to actually have a little something about that today. As more and more people are receiving test batch Pixel 3 XL, it's interesting to see what it is being shown. Well, several design changes including a wide field camera for selfies, a in-ear or earbud assistant remote, and revamped camera app are some of the goodies that apparently are coming to this next device. Of course, we kind of know that it's pretty much in early October that it will be released. So interesting to see that a lot of people are getting test devices. Well, Google France is shutting down Google Plus platforms. It seems that they just said to use Twitter or Facebook. And Google Plus is not in a good position. Less and less people are using it. It's pretty much being abandoned. It hasn't been updated in a while. It's slowly dying. And part of it is Google's fault. Part of it is, there's already a lot of things out there that can do the same thing. The competition is pretty ferocious. This was the Android news for Friday, August the 24th, 2018. Enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.